Hey, Chris. All right. Here is your 698 sitting on my flathead. Just took it apart, did cleaning. Replaced a couple little parts in it, including the float pin, which was worn. Adjusted everything in. And here she sits for you. All right. Looking nice and dry down in there. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Okay. No drips, no runs, no errors, so I know that flows good. All right, let's see what we got in the way of some numbers here. Idle RPM is about 680, 675. Fuel pressure is 2.75. Vacuum is still good at 23. And there's my dwell at about 41 and a half. Remember, proper dwell is 42 plus or minus 1. Well, let's go ahead and pull it through here and see what we got. All right, my friend. I think we got you squared away. Thank you.